Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. In this tutorial we are going to see how to find a prime number from 1 to n number. So if you remember, in last tutorial I told how to check a prime number, so please try to watch that video. It is going to help you a lot. So let's try to understand the basic concept. If I'm having a number, I can say here num is 4. I need to find what are the number from 1 to 4 is prime number. So I can say here 1 2 3 4. So these are the number between 1 to 4. So no need to consider 1. So we have to only consider 2, 3, 4. So I can say here we have to use a for loop, and we have to say here int I has to start from 2 and I will be go less than equal to num value, right? Because we have to go till 4, and I will be plus plus, right? So when first time we'll run, on that time we'll get value 2, then 3, then 4. So now we have to find like, okay, is 2 is prime or not, 3 is prime or not, 4 is prime or not. So what are the number less than 2 or equal to 2? I can say here 1 2, right? Then 1 2 3, right? 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So in this whole scenario, this number itself can divide it, right? So no need to consider that same number, right? For now you can take here 3 is going to divided by 1, no, then 2, no. But if you take this one, what will be happen when 4 divided by 2, what will happen? You'll get remainder as a 0, right? So that means 4 is not prime number. Then again we have to go and check 4 divided by 3, then 4 divided by 4, correct? So what I'm saying, no need to go till their half point, correct? Because it's not useful at all. So in this two scenario we have to go till 1. When the number I value will be 3, we have to go till 1 2. Then when 4 is there, then 1 2. So now what I can say here, we have to use one more for loop, right? And again we have to start from what? Int j equal to 2, and j will be less than equal to I by 2, because no need to go after that half number. So that's why I'm using here 2. And again j is plus plus. So first time I value is what? 2. Then j value starting from 2, and it will not satisfy this condition. So what will be happen? It will not go inside this for loop, right? So how we can again say like it is a prime or not? So that's why we have to declare one boolean here, is prime equal to true, right? So I can say here if I modulus of j equals to 0, that means it is not a prime number. So I can say here is prime equal to false, and break this for loop. Please do not worry about my handwriting. I'm going to again explain in the code also. Now what will be happen, once this for loop is ended, we need to check here if condition, if is prime is true or not. If it's true, then just print here that number is prime, else it's not prime. So in this scenario 2, what will be happen? It will not go in this condition, correct? And on that time is prime is true. So what will happen? It will print like, okay, 2 is prime number. Then I value is 3. Then again, okay, it is starting from the 2, right? Starting from the 2. 3 divided by 2, right? So again it will not satisfy this condition. That means 3 is also prime number. Now what will be happen? Next I value is 4. So okay, 4 means what? The j is going to start from the 2, and 4 divided by 2, right? So it will go from till 2 to 2. So here I value is what? 4, and j value is 2. So when you are going to divide, you will get remainder as a 0. That means 4 is not prime number. So it will go inside this if condition, and is prime is false. So let's write the code first. I'm going to break down this problem into small part. So first of all, we need one input. So I can say here int num equal to 4, correct? And as I told you, we have to start from what? 2 3 4, right? So I can say here for int I equal to 2, and I will be go till less than equal to num value, then I plus plus. So let's print I value, run this program. Okay, you can see here I value is 2, 3, 4. Now what we have to find, like, okay, how many numbers less than 2. So suppose if I say like for int j is 2, because if you remember, as I told, no need to consider 1, right? We have to always start from 2, right? And j, see, for now I'm just going to use j less than equal to I value, right? Then j plus plus, and now just print j value only for now. Let's run this program. See here, when I value was 2, on that time j value is also 2. As I told you, if number is 2, then no need to go for that same number. So if you see this number 3, what will be happen? See here, when I value is 3, it is starting from 2, then again going it till 3, right? So see here, when number is 4, it is going 2, 3, 4. You can see here 2, 3, 4. That's why I have used here I by 2. No need to go after half. So I can say here I divided by 2. Now if you run, see here, when I is 2, then it does not went in this condition. When I was 3, again it does not went in this condition. But when I was 4, on that time j value is 2. You can see here. And after that, when j value is 3, right, it does not satisfy this value. So that's why it does not went after that again in this same for loop. So now what I can say here, if I modulus of j equal to 0, that means it is not prime. So now we have to declare one boolean value. So I can say here boolean is prime equal to true. So whenever any remainder will be 0, that means it is not prime. Please always remember, right? And just change here equal to. Now no need to again continue with that for loop, just use break. So it will break the inner for loop. So that means again it will go for next I value. So now I can say if is prime is true, that means this number is prime. So that number means here I is prime. Run this program. So you can see so many statements are there. So now just comment other statement so you will understand what I'm doing. See here, in between 1 to 4, 2 and 3 is prime number, right? So now run in debug mode. As I told you, I'm going to break down into small parts so you'll understand more. So first time when the for loop run, I value is true, right? Is prime is true. So now you can see j is 2, and when you will divide 2 by 2, what will be happen? You will get the value as a 1. So it will not go inside this line number 12. You can see here, that's why it is showing true. True means 2 is prime number, right? Now I value is what? 3. So 3 divided by 2, you will get 1. That's why again it does not satisfy this condition. So here 3 is also prime. But when the I value was 4, you can see here j value is 2. So what will be happen? I 4 by 2, so you will get 2. So here what will be happen? J will be go till 2 to 2 only. You can see here, right? Now 4 modulus of j means 2. To satisfy this one, that means it's not prime. You can see here is prime is false. That's why you got false. Now take here 27 as for last video. Run this one. See here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. All are these prime number from 1 to 27. I hope you understand how to find a prime number from 1 to n.